My heart is racing, you guys. I'm shaking myself. Oh shit. Woo! Yep. That's a good one. Big hit. Oh yeah, am I recording? Yeah, we got a nice one on. We're coming up on the shoreline. And I'm by myself. Oh shit. This is something good, guys. Oh no. I gotta get the net. This is something nice. I think it's a walleye, but I don't know. Oh no. This is my light rod setup. I was trying to get maybe a, ooh, looks like a big smallmouth. I was trying to catch maybe some more walleye. Oh, it's good. Yeah, that's good. Oh, no! Oh, no. No. That is absolutely heartbreaking. Fuck. Bad net job on my part. Shit. I hope it was visible on the camera. Damn it. Oh, I wasn't recording. Ah. Recording? Yep. See, that's pretty good right there. Not as good as the one I had, but it's good. Tells me I'm in the right zone. Fishing a Texas rig Cinco on a fluke, and I'm in 20 feet of water. I've just been throwing it out, letting it sit, and they've just been wailing on it. I'm very upset about that big one I lost. It was probably 3 to 4 pounds. That's a little bite. They're loving this fluke. Just eating it up. That's one. That's one. No. And this water right now is getting all muddy. So I think they're setting up on this mud line. There we go. Oh, and I see a tree. Oh, that's one right there. Yep, see. Oh, it's good. You guys, it's good. It's good right here. I don't want to lose this one again. See, what I've been telling you? You throw it out. Or it could just be a good fighter, I can't tell. Sometimes these smallmouth fight real strong. And on this ultralight, it's hard to know the difference. Oh yeah, that's good. We're gonna get the live well going today. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, it's already. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna fish this spot for a while. These trees with this mud, I know it's just making it crazy right now. Oh, oh, I gotta adjust here. First of all, I want the live wells going. All right. All right. I hope I'm recording right now. I haven't looked yet. There we go. We got another one on. How to turn the GoPro on. It's a little one. But we'll take this all day long. This is the power of, come here, the drop shot. All right. shit's all wrapped up. He's smallmouth. I'll let him go. Trying to get it on camera. There he is. This thing's all tangled. Oh, my heart is racing, you guys. I'm shaking. I don't know what the GoPro captured, but I just landed an absolute toad of a smallmouth. I just threw a new battery in. The boat's an absolute mess. Fishing that drop shot, it is an absolute giant. She's all worn out. Look at that specimen. An absolute giant. I'm thinking, let me get this trolling motor fixed. I'm thinking she's close to 4. But I really don't know, you guys. I'm gonna put her back in the live well, get the scale out. Oh my gosh. My GoPro was dead, but I hope I got some footage of it. It came up, it was jumping, it was huge. I'm literally shaking. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Oh my gosh. Oh. Get the scale. Oh my gosh, it's been a slow day. I'm gonna do this proper. The lip gripper. You guys. Easy, easy, easy. I think she's bigger than this. Hang on. Let me get her. Just under 4. Oh my God, she's chunky. She's long. Oh, what an incredible fight. Well, I'm gonna keep fishing. See if I can't duplicate that same bite. This is all it is. Drop shot. I got a leader, the ball weight. I've been fishing this Texas style. Texas rig, weedless style, just like this. My hook's bent a little, which is all right. I'm on Long Lake. I've been fishing all day. Sorry about this angle. I had to pull out the phone for this one. We have an absolute unit of a smallmouth today. I gotta keep this engine idling because of the weight. Turn it off for now. I'm gonna show you guys this fish real quick. This is what I started with today. Good size one. Not bad at all. Nice, healthy. We're gonna let it go. But this is what I came here for. An absolute chode. It looks small on this camera right now. This thing is 13 or 3 pounds and 13 ounces. What a beauty. I'll let this one go. Oh my gosh, she's heavy. Oh, yep. Yep. That's a good one. Big hit. Oh, nice. Nice. I absolutely cannot horse this fish in. The wake's getting bad. Am I recording? Nice. 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 He's in the tree though. Oh, yes. Where's the net? Oh. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. No reason to not be fishing the drop shot. Look at the size of this fish. Oh my gosh. Unstoppable. Let's get this under control here. Fucking A. Let's go. Let's get this girl. Oh. Let's go, Cody. Here. Good girl. Woo! Down to my last two. These things are crushing it. Let that girl chill out a little bit in there. We'll get a weight. What's the scale at? Weigh this thing, let her go. Big old smallmouth, largemouth, sorry. Get this turned off. Alright. 4 pounds, 5 ounces. This thing is a unit. Look at the size of that. Jumbo. Cody. Oh, fish slime. Cody, give her a lick. Nope. The girth. It's just massive. Football. Oh, she goes. Let's go! Let's go! Oh!